Hi everyone, so I wanted to talk a bit about a strategic About Me page. Everybody has one, everybody needs one, and if you don't have one, that is the next thing that you should be doing now. But what I wanted to talk about is how to make it strategic to you, because everyone assumes that the About Me page is just sort of your story and people go on and read it and go, oh, that's nice, but that's not how it works at all. You can still make it work in your content strategy. You can still get conversions from your About Me page. If anything, it's easier to, and we all know that in order to get conversions you need to really appeal to people on a personal level, so what better place to do that than the About Me page? So there are a few things that you need to do. The first thing is don't lie. The amount of times where people try and embellish and they think that this is the opportunity for them to tell a story or a little white lie, it's not. Because if it's the first time that someone is looking up your brand or looking at it, they are going to read it and go, isn't that great? And then they might become a loyal follower and they might become one of your most regular customers or clients. And then they find out further down the line that actually you've lied and that's not who you are at all, or maybe your beliefs are not what you've said they are on your About Me page or something like that, and that completely destroys their trust in you. It's one of the foundation reasons as to why someone might choose your business over something else, and it's just going to land you in hot water. So always be yourself. If you're using a brand persona, so it's not like a personal one, it's more you're creating a persona for the brand, you can still make it personal and you can still not lie and you can tell the truth. You just need to be more careful about what you choose to endorse and what you don't. So that's something that you need to do in your brand guidelines before you decide to do your About Me page. So that's the first point, don't lie. The second point is create a flow on the page. So you've told your story, there could be something in the middle of it where you encourage people to click on links and things like that. But the most important thing is to add links and a call to action at the bottom. Someone has gone on, they might have looked at your services or they might have looked at your products and gone, I don't know, maybe I'll see about them and then we'll see if I decide to convert or not. So they've come over to your page, they get to the bottom of the page, and then 9 times out of 10 people's About Me pages are a complete dead end, and it's a complete waste because I've just read about you and I think, oh yeah, I quite like you, and then I don't know where to go, and then I'm not really sure, and then it's sort of like me. So always add links to the bottom and a call to action. For me, I think I have my services on the bottom. So you read about my business, then you read about me, and then you go to the services page. For me, that's like the next logical step. You learn about me and then you hire me. That's just literally how it works. But for other people, it could be sign up to my mailing list, or it could be here's my freebie, or get your free trial or free product or something like that. So whatever makes sense for you and your business, add that to the bottom of your About Me page. It could be a consultation. You might want to just talk with people and develop those relationships. You can do that from your About Me page. Don't be afraid to encourage people to do things after they've read, or even during their reading. Oh, would you like to see what I do here? Oh look, here's a story about me that conveniently links in to all of the other services that I have that you might want to go and have a look at. So be strategic about how you use it. The next thing I think is to be concise. Everyone assumes that the About Me page should be your entire life story about how you got to where you are today and all the inspirational reasons behind it, but quite frankly it doesn't. And not only that, you need to be clever, because really what people are going on there to do is to go, why should I trust you? Why are you different? Should I buy your services or should I buy your product? They don't really care about anything else. So always include in your story, you know, anything from your background or anything from the way that your business was developed before you got to this point, but make it relatable to how you decided to get into the industry you're in, how to get to the services and the products that you're doing and stuff like that. So make everything interrelate basically. Be concise. I would say no more than an A4 page. If you were to put it in Word, it should be one word page, and that's it, maximum really. I mean, you can make it longer if it makes sense, and if you're encouraging things in the middle, or if you have a video, blah blah blah, but I wouldn't go too long because people do get bored. Just because you're writing about yourself and you're trying to give as much detail as possible, don't bother, because in the same way that you wouldn't do that in your products pages, people aren't that interested. They just need to be able to relate to you. So that is the most important part of your About Me page. Make it relatable, make it concise, and give people equals something to do. It can always convert for you. You just need to make sure you use it strategically. So this week, go edit your About Me pages and share the links below, and I'll go and have a look. And the first 5 people that share their links, I'll go and take a look and give any tips and advice that I can give. Okay, bye.